find money in your account, earned while you slept. That's the beauty of passive income. It's about creating income streams that require minimal effort to maintain. This doesn't mean you won't work hard up front, but once set up, these income sources can continue to generate money with less active involvement. One example is renting out a spare room or property. You earn money each month without actively working. You need to watch this if you struggle with achieving financial freedom. We all have dreams. Maybe you want to travel the world, start your own business, or simply spend more time with loved ones. But often our dreams feel limited by money. Financial freedom means having choices. It means not being trapped by debt or a paycheck. It means living life on your terms. Financial freedom might seem impossible, especially when you're just starting out. But it's a journey, not a race. Every step you take towards managing your money better gets you closer to your goals. Remember, even small changes can make a big difference over time. It's time to take charge of your financial future. With some planning and effort, you can achieve your dreams and live a life of freedom and security. Are you ready to take control of your finances? Make money while you sleep. The power of passive income. Imagine waking up to find money in your account, earned while you slept. That's the beauty of passive income. It's about creating income streams that require minimal effort to maintain. This doesn't mean you won't work hard up front, but once set up, these income sources can continue to generate money with less active involvement. One example is renting out a spare room or property. You earn money each month without actively working. Another way is through online businesses. Creating and selling online courses or digital products requires effort upfront, but once created, they can generate income for years. Passive income takes time to build, but it's a powerful tool for financial freedom. It provides financial security and opens up opportunities to pursue your passions. Keep going. You're on the path to financial success. Smart investing for a brighter future. Investing might sound intimidating, but it's simply about putting your money to work for you. Instead of sitting idle, your money has the potential to grow over time. Think of it like planting a seed. You nurture it, give it time, and watch it blossom into something much larger. Investing is similar. You start small, choose your investments wisely, and over time your money has the potential to grow significantly. There are various investment options available, each with different levels of risk and potential return. It's crucial to research and choose investments that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Your journey starts today. Tips for financial success. Ready to embark on your journey to financial freedom? It starts with taking control of your finances. Here are some practical tips to get you started. 1. Track your spending. Understanding where your money goes is crucial. Use a budgeting app, a notebook, or whatever works best for you to track income and expenses. 2. Save consistently. Make saving a habit, even if it's a small amount each month. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account so you don't even have to think about it. 3. Manage debt wisely. High-interest debt can hold you back. Create a plan to pay it down strategically, starting with the highest interest debts first. 4. Educate yourself. Financial literacy is key. Read books, listen to podcasts, or take online courses to enhance your financial knowledge. Remember, financial freedom is attainable for everyone. It starts with a single step and the commitment to making smart choices. Take control of your financial future and watch your dreams become a reality.